So, Professor Mao is receiving a certificate from 4 women. This is recorded. Sir. Thank you.
Okay, now our Mao sir again will be. Mao sir will not keep it. Okay, our Pani sir is always ready. So I took enough love from Mao sir to occasion them. Now,
I will do Petium, sir.
He doesn't have a smile because he has miles to go.
this is the time for our lunch. So lunch is waiting in the side room. That's why if we delay here, it will be stale. So I request all of you to go to the room and let us have lunch. And we should be gathering here at 2:30. It may be late for 5 minutes for refreshment. Long session has been given from the morning. 3 session has completed. We are not late. Actually, started. We thought it will be late. But just we are 10 minutes late. No matter. Thank you all the chairpersons, speakers. Let's go to that room and have lunch. And again we shall come back by 2:35. 6 after post lunch. Now we are having a documentary and only for 14 minutes. And this documentary it was made by our honorable principal ma'am, the chief organizers of this seminar. It is on ethos of heritage. Ethos of heritage. Echoes of Heritage, and it was selected for Toronto Internet Festival. It was selected for this. So may I request the operator to start to run the documentary only for 14 minutes, one for 14 minutes. After this documentary watching, we shall proceed to our academical 6. So now let's start this and let's enjoy it. Thank you.
In the heart of Assam, where tradition and craftsmanship are passed on to generations, lies a unique heritage, the Belmetal craft, from the bustling workshops of Sarthibari to the skilled artisans of Boniagusi and the spiritual hub of Hajo. This ancient craft resonates with the history and culture of Assam.
So what is this?
The origins of Belmetal craftsmanship in Assam date back to ancient times. Sarthibari, Boniagusi, and Hajo have long been recognized as the epicenters of this craft, where the knowledge and skills of working with Ka, as it is locally known, have been preserved and preferred over centuries. Sarthibari, Boniagusi, and Hajo have been custodians of Assam's Belmetal tradition. The craft likely flourished during the Kamrupa kingdom and was further patronized by the Ahom rulers, who used Belmetal for religious rituals and royal ceremonies. These regions became synonymous with high-quality Belmetal products. Sarthibari, a small town in the Barbeta district, is often referred to as the Belmetal capital of Assam. Here, the craft is not just a profession but a way of life, with nearly every household involved in some aspect of Belmetal productions. In Sarthibari, we use a blend of copper and tin to create process begins with melting the metal, followed by sapping, polishing, and engraving. Each piece reflects our heritage and the skills passed down through generations. Hajur, a town revered for its spiritual significance, is also a center for well-metal craftsmanship. Here, the craft takes on a more spiritual dimension, with artisans producing gongs, symbols, and other items used in religious rituals. Boniakusi, a village near Sartibari, is known for its skilled artisans who specialized in crafting intricate designs on bell metal. These artisans are revered for their ability to transform raw metal into objects of art and utility. Our designs are inspired by nature and Assamese culture. Each piece tells a story, whether it's a simple bowl or an elaborate platter. The craft is demanding, but it's also deeply fulfilling to see our work being used in homes and temples across Assam.
What, Chole? Italian marble finish who? Serve Italian food. Chole pasta magao.
लूज टाइल्स को चुप कराना इनस्टेक करें बिरला व्हाइट सीमेंट के एडवांटेज वाले टाइल एडहेसिव से इंट्रोड्यूसिंग बिरला व्हाइट टाइल स्टिक्स फिनिश मस्त पकड़ जबरदस्त
This Bilbila is specially formulated with coconut oil and aloe vera for your baby's delicate skin. It soothes your baby and gives comfort. 9 out of 10 moms recommend Vicks Bilbila.
মানে হাতে কি হয় রাখিবা ফুটবলে বিদায় হয় গাড়ি সকালে দেখতে পাওয়া তার উপরে আপনার কাম করলে আমার সবই হয় সব আমরা কেনারও গুড়া শুরু করে ওখানে তো বিদায় হয় কারণ এনেবার ভালো এক্সপেরিয়েন্স আমরা ভালো এই মানে পুরি হচ্ছে
Continuous exposure to high temperatures and fumes can lead to chronic respiratory conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and other lung-related diseases. Artisans often work in poorly ventilated spaces. Exacerbating these problems, the constant handling of hot metal can result in burns and other injuries, while the repetitive physical labor often leads to musculoskeletal issues, including back pain, joint problems, and arthritis. The sound of bell metal is believed to purify the environment and elevate the spirit in Sartibari. These instruments are crafted with great care as they play a crucial role in our rituals. The artisans here see their work as a service to the divine. Despite its deep roots, the Belmetal craft faces significant challenges today. The rising cost of raw materials, competition from industrial products, and the dwindling number of skilled artisans threaten the survival of this heritage.
এইটো এটা মানে কামৰ যিটো পৰে এইটো কষ্টকৰ কাম
তাৰমানে মই আপোনালোকৰ ছেক্ৰেটাৰী ছেক্ৰেটাৰী আমি অফিচাৰ এপ্লাই কৰিম
এতিয়া পেঞ্চন বা কিবা নাই আৰু কাপোৰৰ মানুহ দিলে আইটো এনে ক'ব আৰে আকৌ বহুত আমাৰ টকা দেউতা আগৰ মানে এইটো বস্তু
আৰম্ভণি Belmetal artisans in regions like Sathibari, Baniagusi and Haju in Assam face numerous health challenges due to the nature of their work. The craft involves working with fire, molten metal and gold, which exposes these artisans to hazardous conditions over long periods. Consequently, many artisans suffer from respiratory issues caused by inhaling smoke and fine particles, as well as skin problems due to direct contact with metals and chemicals. Additionally, the prolonged exposure to high level of noise during metal crafting can affect their hearing over time. The lack of adequate safety measures such as protective gloves, masks and proper ventilation systems increases the health risks. Furthermore, the economic constraints of this traditional occupation often limit access to quality healthcare, leading to a shorter lifespan for many artisans in these communities. Addressing these health issues require increased awareness, improved working conditions, and better access to healthcare facilities for the artisans. It's becoming harder to sustain this craft. Many young people are moving away from it because it's not as profitable as other jobs. But I believe that with support and innovation, we can keep this tradition alive. Yet there is hope. Efforts are being made to revive and preserve this ancient craft. Government initiatives, community programs, and a renewed interest in sustainable and traditional products are helping to bring Assam's Belmetal back into the spotlight. We are focusing on training the next generation and promoting Belmetal as an eco-friendly alternative to mass-produced goods. By preserving this craft, we are not only serving a tradition, but also empowering our communities.
Infallible setting mist by L'Oreal Paris. Locked in makeup up to 36-hour wear. Resist sweat, heat, transfer, water.
Look and feel infallible all day. Infallible setting mist by L'Oreal Paris. You're worth it.
दोस्तों, क्या आप अपना टाइम फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पे वेस्ट कर रहे हो? इसी वक्त बंद कर दो टाइम पास करना। अगर आप
More from into badminton to garments to কাপড় production একটু কমানোর আর্টিস্ট ইন্ডাস্ট্রি টু
দাম বেশি আর যে কোনো দামতে আমরা কমপ্লিট করতে দোকান কাস্টমার করতেছে দুজন জিনিস হয় দোকান সেলফ কনসিডার করতে না নিউ পয়সা আর নিউ পয়সা নেই আমার কি আসলে আর আজকাল অনলাইন বিজনেস
The metal craft of Sarthebari, Baniakushi and Haju is more than just a tradition. It is the echo of Assam's cultural identity, a reminder of the skill and artistry that has been nurtured here for centuries. As the world moves forward, these artisans continue to hold on to their legacy, crafting not just metal, but the essence of Assam itself.
Echoes of our heritage. Already we have enjoyed this, we have seen this, and it was made in 2024 by our madam, and she got much inspiration to do such kind of works, and we wish that as a new principal of this college, she should try to make such kind of documentary with the local Patadurva Prakalpa or other things, and we wish and the August gathering enjoy in next year, whenever again you will do such kind of program. So wishing this, we are proceeding to our next academic session of post-lunch. Now may I request our respected K.K. Gita Kumari ma'am to be chairperson of this academic session number 6. And there are only 3 presenters of this presentation, 6. Dr. Kubita Dolui, Adreja Sharma and Pantrevi Lechanden. So all the 3 speakers or paper presenters are requested to get ready. Whenever our chairperson calls upon you, you have to present your paper. So may I request our Gita Kumari ma'am, please come on the dais and to proceed for this academic session number 6.